Hello, traders. Welcome to the Saturday stream. Good to see y'all. Nothing's happened. Literally, nothing's happened. If you thought what was happening earlier was real, you need to go out. You need to enjoy your Saturday. You need to stop staring at Bitcoin price. Okay? You knew it was going to be a fake out. Like, whatever was happening where it went to 44.8. Dude, you can't trust the weekend. You just can't, man. All right? Stop trying to make the weekend a thing. Okay? We're at the same price we were at 24 hours ago, just about. Oh, $140 difference. So, why am I live today? I don't know, because inertia, because I go live every day. Stupidly go live every day. And we're just going to check up on the market, see what's going on. At least some altcoins had better days than Bitcoin, dude. Like, for real. How about Vechain, man? How about using the word...
Vechain doing things. Vechain doing things.
Is that a joint?
I mean, dude, come on. Vechain's up 14% randomly. You know, I go out to a brewery, I have a couple beers, I come back. Wow, Vechain's up. Double-digit percentage points. Nice. Nice. 4 ZRX, Storage, Iota, Hex, Cardano, and many others up today. Pretty well. We'll take a look at them. Don't know how long I'll be live, but, you know, just, again, man... Imagine being a live streamer and being disciplined. So stupid. Why am I being disciplined? Why am I live here? I should be at that brewery still, drinking. I'm beholden to y'all, okay? I'm soulbound. So, have you broken resistance? No. Certainly you haven't broken jack crap. You haven't broke anything now. Here's your 4 hour. Anything going on? Literally no. Literally you're just hanging out at 44.4. 45.5. You hadn't even touched 45.5. So what are you gonna do, man? You know, is there an edge? No. 4 hours, certainly not. Nice to see you're at in the 60s. You're in the bullish control zone on the 4. Everything's good. It's just nothing's implying a move up. And nothing's actually literally implying a move down. So where we are, we're at this critical area, and we have no idea. Like, there's not even implications of where this thing's going next. Is it going to break out next? I mean, maybe if 44.4 is the partial decline confirmation, 70% chance of break, I'd feel more comfortable. If we see 45.5, I think we do have that 70% chance of a bullish breakout. It's just, it's a zone. It's not just like one resistance. So, or what happens when you are at a resistance and you're not showing an edge either way? Flip your coins, dude. Get your coins out, start flipping them. All right. Yeah, I know. Like Luna, they're buying like $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, or they just did Terra Luna, you know. So cool. Yeah, residents sleeper out the yin yang. Yeah, you're right, dude. That's where we are. Stream until we break 45K. No, the rule was if we ever saw 45.5, unless I was in deep REM cycle sleep and slept through it, no matter where I was, what I was gonna do, I'd be going live. I told y'all that. Like, I was on standby. I was ready to go. But dude, I see a Saturday like rally, and I'm like, I don't believe this. I don't trust this. That's why I posted that Ron Burgundy. And then somebody in the Discord's like, dude, how'd you know? I'm like, dude, how do I not know? It's being in this market as a participant for years and seeing Saturday rally happen. It's like, I don't believe you. I do not believe you, Bitcoin. And clearly it went from like the high to back down to the same price it was at 4 hours ago. So you can't, like, just because it's low volume, low liquidity weekends, man, you can't trust it. You can't trust the weekends. Like 95, 98% of all weekends, nothing happens. And the other weekends, maybe something happens, but it isn't really that, like, significant. Okay. Trying to drink this coffee, man, because I'm like, you know, alcohol's a depressant, and then coffee is a stimulant. I'm trying to speedball here. So yeah, dude, whatever, man. Congratulations, Bitcoin, on literally doing nothing. Cool story, bro. That's cool story, bro. Ethereum, cool story, bro. You know, what we think is maybe developing. I think it's still very possible to think that you're going to 34.17, which is a high from January 12th. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Chill out. Chill out. Everybody chill. Oh, sorry about that. Jesus. Okay, so yeah, I think in 34.17, it's a 1618. It's the pattern completion zone of the bearish grab pattern. No edge. There's like no bearish edge going on any time scale. So it's like we're just sitting in outer space, sitting, you know, just at these levels, and there's no edge. It's like flip your coin, you go down. Flip your coin, you go up. You know, when there's not an edge, all I can do is tell you there's not an edge, and you're not at a critical area either, really. Not so much. I mean, I guess the high from February 15th, 16th, 32.11 is real. I mean, and then the one after that is 32.93. I mean, I think you need to break those. That'd be wonderful, but you haven't yet, and you broke all the major historical resistance points, right? You're just floating on up, and as you float up, nothing implies you're going down, right?
Is that a join?
That's weird. Well, I guess if you don't TTS, there's no noise. Thank you for the no noise contribution, man. Literally going to be the only one today. I guarantee it. All right? Because Bitcoin faked everyone out. And that's okay, man. I mean, whatever. It's the weekend, dude. You should be enjoying yourself. I was enjoying myself. I truly was. I was out, social setting, drinking, chilling with friends, and I'm back. Okay, I'm back for you. And Bitcoin, Ethereum, there you go. And then we go to continue it. We go to total. If you want to see totals, it's like nothing's changed, right? It's just kind of like
I like totals.
We still like totals. Trying to break 2 trillion, but you haven't yet. I mean, God, dude, what are you doing? I'll tell you this, though. On a Saturday, it'll be the highest daily candle close since February 15th. That's real. I mean, you'll be technically engulfing with quotation marks, right? I mean, whatever. Indecision candle yesterday, engulfing today. Nice, but we would think eventually 2.21 trillion. And that means Bitcoin, Ethereum are much higher prices, along with maybe some alts.
I'm going to shoot darts.
It's not really.
Enjoy the rest of your stream. Peace.
Smart man. Thank you, Dow Jones, for the 5. Yeah, dude. Go shoot darts. Enjoy it. Don't think about Bitcoin. Just relax. You can obsess about Bitcoin on tomorrow, but just today, relax, man. Thank you. Big one. Ethereum. BNB. Total. BNB, dude. I mean, like, dude, same thing. It's just like every day we look at it, it's almost the same effing price. It's like it's just incrementally, methodically rising. Like, I mean, I guess it's gonna close at its highest point since literally February 16th today on a Saturday. That's 36 minutes. That will be the case. It'd be like a 40-day high on BNB on a close, which is cool. I mean, nothing wrong with that. No one's complaining. It's just, who cares till you break 430? Wake me up when it breaks 430. And then we'll talk, like, for real. Not like, I'm just going to joke and up thrust through it like a loser. You know, you got to do some more, man. And it's just this whole methodical loser price action since the 14th is just like, what are you doing? I mean, like, that's great. Cool and all, like, that you're doing this, but it's just not good enough. I don't care. It's not good enough. This price action's kind of trash. Like, it doesn't matter if you pivot and you start rallying over a week or more and do nothing, and you never recapture major highs. It just is stupid. So, like, cool story, bro, on BNB, but you need to do a lot more, and I hope it does. I mean, it seems like it could be setting up for those things we need, but not yet. Hasn't done it. Hadn't sealed the deal. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go to XRP. Same situation. It's like, dude, congratulations on, like, this is the same analysis 24 hours ago that would be today. Congratulations on setting up for higher prices, but are you going to higher prices? It hasn't happened yet. The bids haven't come in yet. Cavalry's not here, dude.
This is as close I'll get to buying you a beer. Thanks for what you do, man.
What made? Thanks for the beer purchase. Yeah, that's very true. I mean, beers are $10 now. If you hadn't gone out, beers $10 now. Yeah, welcome to trash inflation life that we live now, because we're all of us were just born in the environment of weak men make bad times. That's where we live now. So we get to have $10 beers, which is cool, I guess. So thank you, what mate. But another cool story, bro, on XRP. It's like, yeah, you may be setting up for higher prices, but you hadn't made an effing higher high, like, literally ever since April of last year. You get that, right? XRP hadn't made an effing higher high since April of 2021. That's still current. So who gives a crap? Like, cool, you can be long on this all day. Where are the bids? Who's buying this? Like, can someone talk to Alex Cobb and ask him, like, who is going to buy this crap to make it get a higher high than its effing high from February 9th? Somebody? No, dude, we can't even do that. Even though it's set up for higher prices, no bids. So screw it. Let's just remain patient, dude. That's all we can do, I guess. Yep, fourth turning connect. Nice, dude. Should be not here. During the fourth turning, I should be getting drunk. I was. Okay, XRP, and then what was the other one? Luna. Luna's just still hanging on up there. It's not a reasonable area to be taking fresh longs, but it doesn't mean it's not gonna moon, because it's outperforming literally everything that exists in crypto. So whatever, I don't know, like, that's where we are, man. It's like you had a low risk area to enter, like Nvidia. Now you're handling, you've handled. Time to collapse or to run to 120 to 160 on Luna. It's still hanging in there. It hasn't dumped yet, has it? That's crazy, right? It's real crazy. Yep. A lot of demand, it seems. It doesn't matter what happens, it's not falling. So this is a very large market cap coin. This is number 5. It's been fighting with XRP for number 4. Back and forth, back and forth. Okay, so those are the bigger ones. I mean, I guess we can go to Sol, which is up 3%. I mean, but you know, this one was like consolidating and actually broke out upward. It broke out of the upside and just hanging out. And you think eventually I would 124, 130 if this is real. But still in a massive downtrend. And we think 38 or 48, 50 cents eventually, but at least off this, you might get a higher rebound to see, you know, these levels 124, 130. And even if you top out there, you're still making a substantially lower high than previous highs. You might roll over and you might see lower lows after that. So you're not out of the woods, but yes, sure, you consolidated and you broke out bullishly of the consolidation in the downtrend. That's real. Yep. If $10 a beer, what was it like 10 years ago? What was beer like 10 years ago? A lot cheaper, dude. Way cheaper than $10 a beer, man. Give me a break. Okay, so, and then, like, you know, all the other markets are closed, so there's no more way I ship. But let's look at Vechain, wow, dude, I mean, like, really, give me a break, man. Like, just get out of here. I have pinged patrons today, before I went out and started drinking, about Vechain. Yeah, it's above resistance. You realize the target's 9.5 to 10 cents now. Like, okay, cool. Like, imagine being surprised here. If you're surprised, you don't pay attention, you don't watch the stream, or you're not a patron. You're just a Rudy Poo. You're just like, oh, I'm just randomly paying attention now. Wow. Oh my God. What caused the pump? I can't believe the pump happened. Really, dude? Really? You can't believe the pump happened? You're the only one here, man. Only effing one here, dude. Dude, double down. What the?
Double down tipped $566, 0.180000000 ETH.
You didn't even say anything? You didn't have a message, double down? You didn't want to tell me something? He just wanted to tip 566 and not say anything. Thank you, dude. I appreciate it. But I want to hear from you too, man. Come on. Thank you, dude. Wow. Happy Saturday. Wow. I don't know, man. What do you say to that? That's just incredible. Just comes in here and drops 500. Doesn't even want to leave a message. His message was... Cheers. Yep, cheers, dude. So, I didn't know if it was gonna be double down. I mean, I really didn't. I thought maybe crypto hoarder might come in, but dude, here you go, man. Cheers. I just want to keep it going a little bit because, man, like you drink a couple beers, you go out, you're in an environment, a party setting environment, and then you come back home and you're like, no way, man. We gotta keep it going, right? It's such a buzzkill. Double downed, man. He might be long on Vechain doing things. But just understand, where you are now, there is no formal resistance that makes any sort of sense until 9.5 cents. So even being up 16% today, the upside still remains to be 47%. So momentum shifted at a pattern completion zone of a bullish shark, and there was no question about it. It showed all the variables you could ever dreamed of.
Zilliqa a few weeks ago because of pure technicals in your teachings. I have to say, going to pay myself a nice dinner this weekend. Have a good day, sir.
Well, you almost have to abide by the principles of the technical analysis because we look at live cattle futures almost every day, and if you want a good steak dinner, you got to do well, right? Because price is a steak every day going up, man. Everything though, it's nothing stopping. It's crazy, man. So, holy crap, man! What just happened, Larry? I mean, for real. Okay. Wonderful. This is the headline. This is Vechain is the headline of the day. We're staring at the Kang of the day. Fourth is up 9.42% in no man's land. We thought it was okay. It looked like Tron a little bit. I don't know. M-shape's playing out, I guess. I don't care. 963, 10. Again, it's just like one of the top gainers. ZRX. Dude, imagine being effing surprised. You get out of here. If you're surprised about this and you watch the stream or you're a patron, get out of here, man. What are you doing with your life? The variables were there at critical areas. Like that's it, dude. Like that this is it. This is how it all works, man. So it's up 8.76% today off a second low at the pattern completion zone of a sharp with divergence everywhere. I mean, it's like, dude, I don't even think times suck. It's just, you know what sucks? Normies not knowing when times are good for opportunity for longs. And like, they just methodically are playing out and those normies don't show up till they completely play it out all the way. You know? And like, they're not crappy times. They're just crappy times for a live streamer, you know, like on a Saturday. That they're crappy times for me. They're not crappy times for the actual market that are doing things. They're really good. So TA being respected on ZRX. Spamming this chart for a few weeks. Storage, another one that had hit its pattern completion zone. I mean, like, what do you want? It's like, this isn't a joke, dude. This isn't like I'm just randomly painting M shapes and they're just randomly reversing at random areas. No, this is an 88.6% retrace, like all of them. And now you're butting up against a major inflection point. And if you break 129, you go to 186, 194 every single time like it was nothing. If you break this resistance, which you haven't yet, you're talking like 44 to 45% upside minimum. Massively nice performer today. Crazy, man. Just literally crazy. Have we looked at ENS before, dude? Give me a break, man. What S coin have we not just looked at, you know? Guess what else is up today? You know, all y'all joke about it, but Hex was at a critical area, and it's... Dude, it held. It literally held. We knew what could happen if it held above 11.8 cents. Well, now it's at 15 cents. Really testing that. If it ever breaks 15 cents... Shoot, dude, it's not going to be like, oh, easy. I mean, first you're going to test probably like 19 cents and then 20 cents after that. So you're testing, like, this is a really well-respected Equidistant channel. Testing multiple resistance points. You break that, you'll probably go to like 21 cents. Sorry, dude, man. I'm loosey-goosey today, man. Certainly. Just give me a sec. Wow. Okay, get wrecked, Hex, in a positive way because you were at a critical area and you had to hold, and you didn't, but then you did. Zcash up 5.75%, on its way to 228. Once it broke 169, it back tested it, and now it's running to the next level, and it's really not that weird. Wow, cool story, bro.
Thanks for all you do. Fantastic community. Patreon, such a great value. Spin please. Chugga chugga chugga.
Supposed to go out with my parents to eat tonight. Fancy restaurant. Be going in there S-faced. Hey everybody, how's everyone doing? Say goodnight to the drunk guy. Right, I'll be like, what was his name? No, Al Pacino. I'll be like drunk face, not Scarface tonight.
Hey Mitch,
right?
can you look at Gala? It looks ready, thanks.
Sub Thousand Mountains. Thank you, dude. We'll look at Gala Connect. Thank you. Iota Connect, 76.9 cents. Not a joke. You broke it. You're back. You're above it. Upside's pretty nice. You got a lot of upside potential on Iota. Iota Connect. Bullishly engulfing on the daily. Confirmed in 21 minutes. All the divergence. Maybe type 2 stuff. Yeah. This just like another S coin. Maybe bottoming out here. Cool. Can we get Wayne Batson to make a drunk face movie poster?
There will be a time when the market participants will buy everything that was not pumped yet. Cause they all will go up, and then Myron will moon.
What's up, Soul? Thanks, dude. Yeah, they'll do it, man. They'll moon. They'll moon together. Sure. Yeah, dude. Okay, I guess we can... Some requests coming in so we can start looking at them, you know. Zilliqa Connect. Well, Zill had some technicals, didn't it? I know it did. Zill was like a lot of others, I mean, that you can be surprised about. Jesus Christ. I mean, like, what do you want? I mean, this was here. Like, let's go to Discord and like, look at the ZILs that I posted. Jesus Christ, dude. Dude, here it is, man. Zill wedge breakout 319 at here. If you're a patron and you actually had alerts, you knew what was going on. It was here. It was here. It had all the variables, right? And then up 78% today. It's not even on my watch list, man. On this watch list, on the other one probably. But dude, what do you want, man? Like, these things are doing the technicals, and then they break out of their wedges, and then they hang out, and then they do stuff like this randomly. Rudy Poo. Oh, dude, but don't worry about it, man. It's not a big deal, dude. Screw TA's fake, man. It's all hindsight stuff, dude. Says someone who's not a patron, who doesn't care, right? I don't know what to tell you, dude. I don't know what to tell you. Like, it's real effing life sometimes, right? So yeah, what'd you do? Oh, more TA respect, where the asset just runs up to its next levels of resistance, and that's it. It's just sitting there. It's around those resistance points. Candle high close back from December 2020. You're just there. I probably won't break it and moon to the next levels, but my God, if you break it, there's a good chance you're at least seeing 12 cents. Unreal. Of course, record volume, highest level of volume you've seen in human history on Zilliqa. Good Lord, dude. Like, that's awesome, man. Oh, wow. TA respected, by the way. Yeah. I mean, how many charts? Like, I know they fail sometimes. Sentiment, market conditions are bad, you know, and you can get stopped out. But, dude, how many times, like, in market conditions that aren't psycho, crazy, loser, do they play out? For how many times do they play out for you to, like, actually be, oh, I actually believe in what's happening right now. Wow, this is insane. Okay, so nice one on Zilliqa, dude. Beautiful. It is S-Coin whack-a-mole, though, right? I mean, you have many others that set up the same way, but they will never go up 80% in a day. None of them, or many of them will not, ever. And that's the crappy part. Like, you don't, oh, why did Zilliqa pump today? It just did. It's not like you were wrong, or, oh, dude, I believed in the project. Dude, give me a break, man. There are many projects better than this one that aren't going to ever pump like this. So, it just happens. Whack-a-mole, man. S-Coin, Beanie Baby whack-a-mole. A spin, dude, I'll do a spin if you want, man. Like, give me a break. Well, maybe I won't because it's not showing up. This is weird. Something's going on. Hold on, I gotta refresh the cache or something like that, maybe. I know, you asked. I don't know, what would you do? What would you rather be as a human? Would you rather have been out and partied a little bit, had a good time, and then come back and stream and then Double Down tips you $565? Or would you rather say, nah, I defer the $565 and other tips, and also providing market updates, and stay out and party? I mean, what would you do? You know, I'm just wondering. I can't find this stupid freaking widget source on my OBS. Hold on. There it is. All right, let's refresh this, see if it works. I don't know if it's going to help. I hope it does. There, it worked. It did work. That chug doesn't count. I don't even know why it was just starting on chug, dude. Just give me a break. Spin again. Okay. Okay, no chug. Get wrecked. Dow MN. Get wrecked, dude. Thank you. Okay. Was there another request? One more, yeah. Gala coin. Super Gala. Get canceled, dude.
You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me so you can point your freaking fingers and say, that's the drunk guy.
Say goodnight to the drunk guy. Thanks so much, Tony M. Tony Montana Connect. Thank you, dude. Dude, I can't even believe this one, right? I don't ever look at this until you, the human being that does this. You just keep requesting it, and I keep looking at it, and I can't believe it keeps holding. It keeps holding this demand line. I guess 36.8 cents if it stays above the demand line.
Can you take a look at CeeLo? Thanks, smile.
What's up, Marco? Yeah, we'll look at it. Thank you, dude. Marco Bobos. Thank you, dude. I did. I left the Gala to analyze Gala, pretty much. Not as formal as a real Gala, though. But 36.8 cents is your target if this is real life. I mean, I don't know. It seems like it's real life. It can't fall below the demand line. Like, what do you want me to do? Like, I'm going to keep looking at it, and it keeps holding. And it holds long enough. It just goes to 36.8 cent target first. If it ever broke that, it'd go to 53 cents. That's your Gala targets. Gala, whatever. It was Gala here. It was, hey, we're going to the Gala. Where I'm in 8th grade, dude. Going to the 8th grade middle school Gala. Do you have a date? You're not supposed to have a date. You just go with your friends, right? So. Nothing more to talk about, dude. Nothing more to talk about. Maybe it's gonna go. Yeah, it looks like it's setting up for those higher prices. What is the upside on that percentage-wise? It's like pretty good. Pretty good. Like 45% upside, dude. What's up, Harrison? Thanks for the 20, dude. Good to see you again on a Saturday. Wow, you're back on a Saturday with not too much price action going on. Good stuff, man. I'd be a little offended if you show up and Bitcoin's at 58K again. You're like, oh, I'm back, dude. I'm back just because the price action, which you're gonna see. Everyone is gonna see it. Like, especially the people that are here today, when there's not really any kind of formal price action. We haven't made any massive breakouts. Dude, it's just not that crazy right now. All of you watching, you'll laugh so hard when or if Bitcoin goes to 58K to 64K again. Like, half of you are going to be experiencing another half of the viewership that show up. And it's not because they care about TA that's taught here. They only care about the price action. And you're going to see them, and they're going to be insane. And there's going to be shillers. There's going to be all types. Man, we should make a song about all these different types of people in the crypto community, man, that show up only when it suits them. Stop asking me, what was the date the other day? That was like a month and a half ago, dude. Hey, nice to see Bitcoin rallying a little bit. It's kind of trying to not be a loser. It would be really cool if Bitcoin closed the day above 44,641. If it did that, it'd be the highest 4-hour candle close of the entire rally. Highest 4-hour candle close literally since something like February. What was it? February 10th? That'd be huge. You're so close to something somewhat significant, I guess. Right? Dude, Gala, let's go, dude. 38. We got 40+% upside here if it holds. Kang's in the chat for Gala. Probably something like 383. Wow, the scam wick went up there. Yeah, 383 candle eye close from May of last year. Wick highs from January 2021. Oh god, dude. Did the internet go out? I didn't even see that happen. I'm sorry. Is it still out? We back? We back, man? Sounds like we're back. Okay, cool. Thanks. Okay, add a coffee or last sip of coffee. Now only beer and water. Ugh. Closing comments on Gala. Gala was have courage. If you want to ask, if you're in 8th grade in middle school and you're going to the Gala, ask out the girl because it won't matter. Okay. She says no, so just go ahead and do it, dude. All right, builds character. That was my closing comments on Gala Coin. All right. Anyway, Solo Coin, and it seems like there's a lot of upside here potentially. All right. I mean, it's doing a lot of good things. If Bitcoin keeps rallying, this thing's got a lot. Dude, it could be going to 661 in time eventually, and if not there, something like $4 and change. Okay, 380. Not bad. Zilliqa. Should I buy bet now? Get banned, dude. For real. If you were, I know you're not serious, but if you were serious, you're banned. Just get banned, dude. So I guess until any more requests come in, which they may never come in, dude. Okay, ever. Last request of all time was created, right? It happened. Well, I should take a day off, man. I know I'm like literally stupid. Like, it's inertia. We go to another asset that's up well, and this is an active current trade setup well off its entry, and will continue. Okay, I think it would continue eventually to $1. This is ONT. ONT. This was the lowest risk, highest reward opportunity areas you could ever have dreamed of, with type 2 returns at PCZs at inflection points from 2018. Dude, we can only provide you with the information you need to be successful in life in terms of looking at charts. Like, if you don't buy it, you don't buy it. But like, it was here. Like, you know that if you're a patron, you were pinged multiple times on this one. And I think $1 eventually on ONT. Bullish engulfing candle will be confirmed in 8 minutes. It's up almost 6% today. You think it's done? You're crazy. It's not. It's probably not done. I don't own a Porsche, and I don't like Porsche. I'm not a Porsche person. I'm a BMW person. It's just the way I am, man. Any modifications? No modifications needed on the fastest sports sedan on the planet. No.
Mitch, would you please take a look at TBT ProShares Ultra Short 20+ year Treasury? Requested by my mom. Thank you.
Requested by your mom? What's the that's a derivative. What's the underlying asset that it is, shorting or whatever? Was it TLT? We can look at TBT. It's just better to, like, if you're looking at a derivative that is levered, it's always best to look at the underlying asset. It really is. So what is the underlying asset that, of the TBT? Okay. I'm waiting on an answer on that. TBT. Bueller, anyone? Chat? I'm relying on you. Come on, man. Just stare at ONT and at $1 when everyone says, shit up by now. It's like, get wrecked, dude. Get banned. We'll just ban you. Okay? Because it's so offensive. It's so effing offensive that we be here 7 days a week and then people will be showing up after everything takes off when we're here for free 7 days a week trying to provide you with information you need, Like, yeah, that's bannable offense almost. It's so offensive, dude. Okay. Okay, I guess we'll just look at TBT because literally, whatever. Whoop, I mean, massive weekly double bottom. Love the spring back test of spring, 1830. You're probably on your way to 2277 on this one. I mean, I think that's the target, 2277. You're on the way. If you ever break that, though, shoot. I mean, like, first stop, 27. Second stop, 2952. Just levels of inflection from history. That's it. You break 2277, boom. 2692, upside potential. Above that resistance that you have not broken yet. 17%. You ever, break 2692, you got 29%, 30% upside. It definitely seems like you could be bottoming out here, and it's not that weird at all. Almost an 886 there. It's like pretty much an alt bat, bat pattern or some sort, right? Crazy. What's up, Cakeology, man? I know you've been around a long time, dude. I know you have. Welcome. Good to see you, dude. Well, stick around when it counts, man. Like, I'd rather you be a member of the community and you show up during the Saturdays where nothing's happening versus being like, dude, I've been around for years, man, and I'm only here, though, because of us being at 58K. That's not how it works, man.
Dollar Chi.
What's up, Bryce Jones? Well, look, thank you, dude. Got the keys. What's up, Patish? Yeah, we'll look at Lind or Ave. Sure.
Hey Mitch, hope you're well bro. Dollar Ave when you get a moment. Love from London, Blue heart.
Oh, I'll be there, man. I'll be there.
You should have put a turbo and sports exhaust on your old BMW before giving it away.
Before giving it to my grandma. Yeah, no, I should have put a turbo sports exhaust on my grandma's new car. Yeah, you're right, dude. What was I thinking? How stupid of me.
I believe I've identified a bullish garlet on HDRN aka Hedron. The bear is HDRN/USDC on Uniswap. What do you think? Thanks.
A gartlet? What's a
Ian here.
gartlet pattern?
Did you look at Tron TRX? Let me know what's happy 9-inch nails.
Excuse me? Donnie, you're certainly out of your element saying 9-inch nails or something. Tron Connect's like H-bar. Poised for Kang.
Support for the stream. Thanks, man.
What's up, LinkedIn, dude? Thank you. Hey, we got a tip train going, don't we? I love bullish gartlets, though. I think everyone in here is all big on bullish gartlet connects. Thank you, dude. So I'm sorry that it's not an actionable long literally right now, even though it's doing wonderful. If you're long on this, there's lots of upside. But to take a fresh long literally right here, that's not true. It's kind of just Rudy Poo land. You can't strategize.
Already sold the BMW. Still in my levered ETH long.
I know that's fake news, dude. But if my grandma did sell my BMW to go levered long on Ethereum, I wouldn't be mad. I literally would be like, dang, grandma, you care about crypto and Ethereum? Oh my God. Let's hang out more often, grandma. That's not true though. I wish. I think everyone wishes, right? Okay. The Gartlet letter. Let's what was the next one? Just got blitzkrieged. Lind. Yeah, Lind was good, man. Lind was pretty solid. It had broken out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, Lind's sick, man. Remember Lind? What the F, dude? Remember it had broken out? We're like, do something, Lind. What are you doing? And it blasted off all the divergence and the wedge, and it broke out. Now look what it's look where you are.
Long time watcher. Love you, kissing face.
What's up, Todd? Thanks for the kissing faces, dude. Much
We are
appreciated.
officially in alt season. All the pain is over. We are going to the moon. Let's go. Oh, 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 oh. Rocket, rocket.
Thank you for the rockets, dude. 2 Rolexes. Yeah, much love. Let's go, dude. Let's go. Well, I think everyone would be kind of a little excited about Lind, where the upside potential above 161 is eventually 77%. Stay above this long enough, dude. You'll see what happens, Larry. You'll see. There's a lot of upside, but like you had a chance, man. Look, I could show everyone the chart posted about Lind when it was like, dude, again, if you're here every day, this isn't surprising. This isn't like crazy. This is like, oh, go effing figure, man. Like, go figure. Unbelievable. Or even is it, man? There it is. Dude, like, look at this. What a joke. This was March 15th. Man, you look at this, okay? You see it. It's like, oh man, it should be doing stuff.
Mitch, I'm gonna put some nitrous on this slow BMW you gave me. Can't afford losing more street races.
If my grandma's street racing, she's doing the right thing, I guess. If I was older, I'd be street racing too. Thank you, grandma. So here you go. This was the Lind chart, March 15th, and it's like it had broken out. It had sleepwalked out of the structure, and it's like, what? There's nothing else that can be done. Like, it needs to, it would, then, right? This is what we talk about. Like, everything has happened except the impulse, right? That was the case on Aave or Lind, right? And then the impulse happened, and it's like, what do you do? Yes, we have a new day. Oh, on the hits. Oh my god, man. We did it, dude. Pathetic, like loser. You know, good job, Bitcoin, on doing nothing that anyone cares about, right? Cool, dude. Like, wow, another pathetic scrub green day, which, oh,
A wise
great.
man, Mitre, once said the weekends are meant for getting ahead like the average Joe's party. We're building for freedom.
What's up, Eddie, man? Missouri Jesus, man. Thank you, dude. It is for getting ahead, you know? Like, it's real life. I mean, what do all your peers do? You know, what do you do most likely? I mean, you use the weekend to take off and relax and enjoy things, right? Because you worked so hard during the week. But there are some people, the anomalous few, that, yes, they work during the week like you do, but they don't stop on the weekend. They keep going. They keep going. They keep investing in themselves. They keep doing what they need to do. So those people normally separate themselves from everyone else. So you could do that if you want. If you think you're run of the mill, you're just your everyday person, there are ways to not be that person if you truly want it. Just depends. Sweet. This just coming back to Bitcoin doing nothing. Oh, it's high as. Let me see. It was somewhat significant, okay? Here's the significance of the daily candle close today, chat. Highest daily candle close since February 15th. But not the highest. If it did close above 44,583, it'd be the highest daily candle close technically since January 4th, but it didn't do that. February 15th was actually a better close day. So, yeah, I don't know. Just methodically, like, good God, dude. Like 5 days in a row of higher closes than the previous close. It's so methodical. I don't know, man. Like, give me an impulse candle. Give me something to be excited about. This is just kind of like, oh, we're at a resistance and we're just sitting there. I don't know, man. I love us about 42K, but I also understand the 4 hour where we are too. And it's like, it's really not that special. It's just, you see it like I do. It's right there. That's it, dude. I mean, you hadn't broken crap. But I guess this is great times for altcoins, as you can see with Zilliqa and Vechain and others, right? Very nice. Okay, so that was your local on the 8th, because we come back to it. It's an update. Wow, dude. Cardano had a good day yesterday. Again, I don't think it's really makes sense to be looking at this besides a daily. I'd be waiting for $1 for a successful back test. And maybe that might be a legendary long opportunity. Just come down a little bit. Just pull back. It did actually bullishly engulf on the close yesterday. YFI is an active trade setup on its way. Well off the entry. How much is it off the entry? For real, dude. It's off the entry by like 30%, dude. If you're active in this trade setup, your position's already up like 30% or 25 to 30%. You engulfed bullishly yesterday. Your target's still 25.71. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. Wow, dude. Are you trying to tell me a very well-developed bullish falling wedge matured at an 88% retrace from its previous major low to high? And you were just back testing support as support all these times? All the divergent, dude, is literally everything. Everything we covet existed on YFII. That's it. So there's higher prices. Tesla's had a good day yesterday. I mean, it was the highest daily candle close since pretty much February 17th. I mean, that's not a joke. It's not done. It's going to 394. If it breaks 394, going to 450, breaks 450, probably going to $8. Dude, like Tezos, man. You know this is an active trade setup. You know a lot of us have longs on this position. We're just sitting there. We've been sitting there. We've been only barely making money. Now we're making money, like a little bit more, you know. And like eventually this thing will probably, if the Bitcoin's reversing, you know we're breaking $4 and going to $8, man.
Hi, can we look at Soloost?
Yeah, we'll look at the poor man's soul, dude. Sure. Let's go. Hi, you okay? That's what I'm talking about. And no surprise, right? No surprise. No effing surprise. Top 50 party schools. Who's number one, chat? Spam number one's in the chat. Who? That's right. If you're surprised, you didn't go there. You didn't go there, man. We have a machine. We have an actual machine. All right. Thank you, Hi, you okay? Fantastic. Love it, dude. Love it. But fair. Super fair. Oh, band, dude, by the way. Dude, you don't even understand about band. Band's like... You understand where this could go, right? Do you understand where this could go on band? Yeah, this is like unbelievable. Like the lowest risk area of your entire life. Kind of on band. Don't even be surprised if someone posted a trade setup on this maybe today. Based on what it's doing at the certain levels it's doing it. You know? Like, man, it's like... You fell below critical supports twice and failed twice. So, and you're back above those supports now. That's like unbelievable bullish. Yeah, dude, crazy. So maybe 745 in time. So not quite 100%, maybe 70% or something. What was it? What was the upside potential? You know, from the breakout, like 80%, whatever, dude. Okay, cool. I mean, how is that weird? Because it's only ever done that really historically every time. So, what, Bitcoin had a 5-day candle close? Well, I'm gonna have to break the seal. Still a great choice, man. Are you sure, dude? I gotta like tweet that, man. I gotta tweet this. All right. I'm tweeting this. I'm a modder and number one at something. Hey, we're pretty much number one in broadcasting. That's what I got my degrees in. So I'm good with that. Love it, dude. I remember back like, oh yeah, Arizona State top party schools, dude. Not anymore, man. We'll look at it though. We'll look at the 5-day candle close on Bitcoin. Just give me a sec. I gotta do this. Okay. Oh, crypto hoarders in the chat, dude. No, he's not, man. Fake news. Fake news. I'll be right back. Like button, bell, sub. Hang tight.
Bruh.
Hey, all right, what's up? SWN, overbought, probably pulled back on Monday, dude. Who cares, dude? You sit on that 6 months. Who gives a crap what it does every day? This thing is too good, man. Like, are you kidding me? Like, imagine caring. Like, this thing's ungodly. I mean, what do you want, man? Like, you come to this stream. What do you want, right? I mean, like, is this not good enough? You know, is SWN not good enough for you? You know, like breaking the neckline of the weekly inverse head and shoulders, closing at its highest level since April of 2017. Give me a break, man. Like, you're not even close to your targets, but Jesus, like, what do you want? It was a trade setup, man. Imagine not caring about stocks. I only care about crypto, man. It's like, okay, well, enjoy missing out on a straight up, straight down situation on an asset class connected to a very, very bullish macro, which is energy. Hey, if you look at the weekly, certainly not overbought. Still off. Not even close. Bullish control zone, though, man. Bullish control zone. 68, 69. Perfect. I don't know, man. You had your chance, Larry. You had your certain chance. Now get wrecked, dude. Imagine FOMOing into Swin when you had your chance. Okay. Just had to look at it because it's just beautiful, man. All right. There are beautiful assets out there in the world. Like, I think that Monero is a beautiful asset that's breaking out. Like, you know, this is an active trade setup. It's been like, you know, maybe about a month. This trade setup was posted after the backtest of spring, or before the backtest of spring. I mean, you broke your falling wedge. I think the target's like 292 here. Like, if we want to look, let's just do this, okay? Let's just look at the trade setup, you know, and just see, oh, what's going on with it, man? I know it takes a minute, dude. It really does. But think about my thought process, right? I'm not saying I'm smart or I'm worth a crap, right? My brain's worth a crap. But, like, I do like charts. I'm not going to say I'm an authority on the charts. I just like them, okay? I think they're cool. They're fun. I think you watch me because you think that that's real, that I like charts and stuff. So it was just like, you know, February 25th. It's literally 32 days since the entry. And I know it hasn't gone very far, but I mean, you kind of get the thought process behind why I'd post a trade setup on Monero, right? It's like inflection point from look, dude, like you go back to September of 2017, years and years ago, and we know it was such a big deal. Look at the correlation price action at this level. And we knew, like, if you held it for a second time, what could effing happen, man? Look, holy crap. So you're trying to tell me you're double bottoming with seller exhaustion at this level? Bro, come on, man, right? It's like, it's going to take a minute, but you're on the way. 237 first target, second target 261. These are conservative, traditional targets. These are not Rudy Poo Psycho crypto targets. This is just, you know, because it could very well go way higher than these conservative targets, right? You just think about, like, I mean, like an X. This is the X, right? So think about X. That's X. So we do this. XA, B, C, and then D, right? 886 is like out of this world. I mean, 886, the massive fourth target, I guess we could say, just happens to be like 470, 473. So that I mean, this market gets nuts, dude. These major 886s could be hit. So again, man, forgive me for being traditional targeter, one who targets, because we don't know if euphoric conditions are coming up for crypto. They're Probably not. So that's why we go traditional. We go traditional targets. You could go way more aggressive on your targets, but that means the probability increases. Your targets may not get achieved. Your limit sells may not get hit, right? Just God forbid me being a little bit skeptical because of famine and war and money printing, unbelievably. And I think we're in the fourth turning, and I think things are going to get really bad. Yield curve inversions. God forbid I act a little bit conservative. Want to be a little bit conservative in the conditions like that. It's scary, man. We're in scary times. Yeah, I get it. Like, it's bullish for crypto, the money printing and stuff. That was the case. We had that. We had the forward-looking market where Bitcoin went from 3850 after the COVID crash flow, and the money printer began from 3850 to 69,000 eventually. Right, that happened. So I'm just saying, like, hey, we're on the other side of it kind of now, but you gotta love that. Like the weekly, the most two discernible recent events that happened on the weekly was the highest high of all time, then into the highest low of all time, and we're pivoting. Undeniably, you're literally blind if you don't see that we're trying to pivot here. The daily and the 3-day kind of tell us that.
Candle closes on Bitcoin tomorrow. You might want to look at the MACD on the 2-week chart.
Oh, is that true, man? I need to look at that. The 2 weeks gonna make or break us.
Subpar RC, please.
What's up, G-Dog? Thanks, man. Yeah, sure. I gotta be mindful though. Hold on a sec, alright? I guess, we bullishly engulfed on total, man. What? Alright, here we go. Someone requests this almost every day. They might be part of the marketing team. I don't know, man. This is what we were talking about. Thank God, man. I didn't do crap or tell anyone. Like, dude, it's like, sure, it created a bat and somehow reversed there, but bleeding out, maybe going for a type 2 return. Maybe you wait for the asset to test. Can someone tell me what that denomination effing is? That's like 1/10,000th of a penny? Or am I wrong here? 1/10,000th of a penny. I don't even know. Like, you can't even. Doesn't even make sense, dude. It's so worthless that it's 1/1000th of a penny, or at least that's like the target for maybe an actionable long. Just make sure I'm not crazy. Right? Am I crazy? Look at, you tell me, chat. How many zeros that is? That's like 1/10,000th of a penny. Worth less than 1 ruble. That's all you need to know how worthless it is. Wow. Jesus. Dude, I don't S on people. Like, I don't know why people think I'm S-ing on people. I S on their request. And I always try to, before I S on the request, I try to articulate the gratitude that they sent me the tip or the donation or whatever. I try to say that, but then it's like, wait a second. I'm grateful, but, right? And that's a tough love thing. I think, 1/100,000th? Oh my God. So it's either 1/100,000th I've never even said in my life, or 1/1,000,000th. Either way,
Hey man,
I think they're the same thing. They're equally as worthless. What's up, Steezo? Yeah, we'll look at Near Connect. Yep. Sure, dude. It's one of them. Okay, that's all we need to know. Maybe it goes to 170 millionth of $1 million. I don't know, and that's the level to back test the spring here, dude. I wouldn't take action. You can do anything you want, man. I'm just whatever, man. It's not probably a good place to be requesting something so worthless, but doesn't mean it can't rally, dude. Okay, yeah. Let's look at Tron. That is pretty much the blood brother of H bar. Tron, Justin, son, picking his boogers in a hotel room. Remember China, Tron University. Here it is, dude. It's not a wedge. See, H bar had the wedge. This is still a symmetrical triangle. Like, I mean, like it seems ready for higher prices, but it's not happened yet. It has not happened yet. I mean, I think if it plays out, you go to 8 cents, 8.4 cents eventually, but pay whatever. If you could buy Tron, you might as well just buy H bar, right? I mean, they're the same thing chart wise, except H bar was a wedge and it broke out bullishly. So, and H bar is like doubling up. It's like 100% upside, you know? So, this one's what, like 33% upside or something like that. So it's bullish, man. It's a bullish harmonic and a very bullish trend. Stage is set for much higher prices. Just no one's bought yet. No one's massively bought. There's not been a bullish impulse yet. So it's cool though. It's a good chart. It's been that way throughout all the bull crap too. Terrible times. It still was like, wow, this is setting up for higher prices, but it still hasn't gone to those major higher prices yet. Good Lord. All right, we'll go to this other one. Not Soul, but Soul. Dude, I mean, like, you know, you get me, you take me to some generic S coin, and it's just like, what do you want from me, man? I don't know. Maybe from that low from October 2021, it's an 886, I guess, right? Oh, it is. It's an 886. It looks like a bunch of different S coins. Probably going to rally at some point, you know, but is it a confirmation low? No. I just think looking at this chart, I'd be like, nope, no. I have finite capital to put my money places, so I'd be like literally no on SOUL, even if it goes up. If it goes up, many other assets showing an awesome discernible edge would go up too. You get that right. So like, you can't come back if this thing rallies because everything else rallied and be like, oh dude, what were you saying? I can't believe you talk crap about SOUL. Dude, this is just another scrub loser S coin no one cares about, and there are better opportunities based on the formula. The formula, right? Look, here's a formula. XLM formula. M shape, pattern completion zone, type 2 return at inflection point from literally years ago, 2018. Divergence, everything lines up. Why would you ever put your effing money in SOUL when you could put it in anything showing the same variables that something like XLM showing? You wouldn't put your money in something like SOUL. You're going to the slot machine. Oh my God, maybe I'm going to win this time, dude. Durr. Like, okay, no. Screw SOUL, because there's too many opportunities on other assets showing discernible edges. That's it. Screw it because it's compared to everything else. It's not by itself. It's not one thing you can only trade or your cash. Nope, too many other things that you could put your money into that make way better sense technically than SOUL. What a joke. No offense, dude, okay? If you're offended, get effing wrecked and go play a sport in your childhood. You know, that if you're offended by that. I'm serious. This one is like a stock that oil and gas production. I can't believe what's happening. Oh, wait, yes, I can. Clearly, there was some level here that was a support. Resistance, you're above it like the Jesus. You had an uptrend. I think this is what OIH is going to do, chat. OIH will do almost identical things to RRC. You hear me? Oh, yeah, look at that, man. 1983 resistance is being broken on RRC, dude. That's massive. Massive ice line breached. Wow. So I would think the next target eventually, overhead resistance, minimums like 47.10. Wow. If you stay above 23 bucks long enough, man, you'll be all right. That's crazy, dude. Crazy. I think any kind of like channel you tried to plot has been broken now. You breached it. Like it's like going parabolic, right? Look at your demand line. And notice how like just nothing matters anymore. Look, you notice how you legged up. You've literally legged up. From look at this low to the next low. Yep, 2 legs now. We have a double leg working on that parabolic uptrend. So you'll sell off, and maybe if you're on really parabolic, you'll never come back down to this second leg, second demand line here. Fantastic. Look at that record volume on March 1st. What happened? Record volume on a massive 1980-1983 breakout. That's the volume signature you're looking for on breakouts if you care about equities. If you care about equities, crypto, it's kind of tough because, dude, you're looking at one exchange, the volume on one exchange, right? They don't have data for everything. New York Stock Exchange, though, is different. It's like when you have massive volume candles on massive 1980 breakouts, that should not be ignored. Because look what's happened since that massive volume candle breakout. You've gone up substantially. 8% on freaking Friday. So great asset. RRC, I wish I'd have known this thing existed, you know. And I'd be looking at it like I'd be looking at OIH or SWN. Yep. Beautiful, dude. Are we cool? Okay, let's go to the next request. Oh my god, dude. Imagine thinking Bitcoin's going to do bull crap this weekend. Anything worth a crap. It won't, dude. It's okay, though. Cool story. But dude, it's the weekend, man. Here's your near. Like, I can't believe it. It did it, man. It was a Momo harmonic. It held that demand line that goes back to friggin' July last year. It sprung. It back tested the spring kind of twice, and it's taken off. And your target's probably 16 bucks, 16.46 in time, I guess. Dude, it's above the 200-day moving average. It's kind of unbelievable. It's so strong. Such a strong one. It was like that first request of the day. Unreal. Not bad, dude. Wow. Can't believe it. I'm not using reverse psychology on Bitcoin. I'm using weekend normalcy on Bitcoin, right? Like, why would Bitcoin pump on a weekend? 98% of all weekends that have ever existed, Bitcoin's done literally nothing. Maybe 2% of all weekends, Bitcoin's actually done something significant that, wow, turns into something massive, right? Pumps or dumps. I wouldn't count on it, dude. It's just like the odds are not in your favor for Bitcoin to do something substantial on a weekend. It's just not in your favor. That was the last request anyway. Get wrecked, everybody. I mean, what are you doing on a weekend? But anyway, I mean, like some coins like ONT up 3% on the new day. Like, this won't last. I mean, high probability 3% up on the day is not going to end up the way it is in 24 hours from now, 23 hours from now. But cool to see like an asset that has an active trade setup, 30% off its entry, continuing to rally. 60 cents. Like, first time seeing 60 cents since February. Beautiful. Guess what Vechain's doing on the new day? It's up 4.2%.
Is that a joint?
I just like, dude, I can only be here every day and look at these assets and then show you them, and like they look like they might be setting up higher prices. I don't know if they're going to go higher, but based on history, they seems like they would like with the probability. Goodness. This party ever did ZRX. Oh my god, ZRX was looking like it was bottoming out. Oh yeah, okay, continuing to rally. Bullish engulfing yesterday, up almost 4% on the new day. Unreal, dude. Unreal. So strong. Effing strong, dude. 95-cent target. Dude, 95-cent target. You're at 65 cents, man. Storage up 4% on the new day. Unreal. It's breaking resistance. That's unreal. Like, it's breaking the May 25th high, the April 23rd low. Dude, this is like massive breakout occurring possibly on storage. Now, we know all the fake outs it's ever done, but dude, it's trying to breach major levels. Tesla's up 1%. These are like all like kind of active trade setups. The top gainers on the new day on the weekend are like trade setups that are active. Crazy. Wow. Oh man. I don't know. What do I do with my hands now, man? We look like 1,000 assets on a Saturday. What do you want from me? You know what I'm saying?
Can you have a look at Power Ledger, please?
Wow. I haven't heard of that one in a long time. POWR. Shoot, dude, that's a legacy scrub coin. I mean, if you want to, yeah. Sure. Well, I mean, where's all the data, dude? There's data. There's some data. There's a lot of data. What, dude? I haven't looked at the. You have no idea how long it's been since I've looked at this asset. I can't tell you last time someone requested it and we looked at it, and this is the same data. I have no idea. It's holding. Power's like massive accumulation, sell wall, 60, 68 cents, and you're just getting closer and closer to it. Standing with the 200-day moving average, actually incredible. Like for now, until it dumps. For real, this is actually pretty awesome. Like, not kidding. Like 85 cent, 120, 180, $2 targets. Holy crap. I can't believe this. Beautiful request because, dang, man, it's solid for now. Super solid. Wow. I don't know what to tell you. You're going to be testing 60, 68 cents again. And then after that, eventually 85, 120, 180, right? Yep, that's it. There's your request, dude. That's pretty solid. Old night of man line. Very well, man. What's up, base, dude?
Base tip $27.66. Yo, much cheers for all your hard work.
Yo.
Check out Hex, please. 0.008803313 ETH.
Sure. Hex, man. So all I can tell you is you are continuing to accumulate tons of supply up at 67, 85 cents, but every time the buyers relent, the buyers relent, they continue to add on higher levels than their previous lows. So lots of accumulation with some sort of certain sell wall. I don't know if it'll, at the same time, you do all this, it could pull a Cream. Cream did something like this and then eventually got wrecked at the same level and collapsed and went down to the bottom of the range again. So you just got to pay attention every day to this. But this is spectacular how it's holding the 200-day moving average like that. It's wonderful for now until something changes. Yeah, definitely want to put on the watch list because it's interesting as F. Okay. David Davian Connect. Thank you, dude. Hex, remember, what did we say a few days ago? The fact that this happened gave us confidence to believe we could be trying to bottom out. If you're above 11.8 cents, you are bullish. You are strong. You're good. Now you're testing a low kind of from November 8th. Yeah, Crypto Hoarder, get wrecked, dude. Like, if you're listening, you're wrecked, dude. You've been devastated, and it's okay, man. So I would say anything above 10.9, 11.8 cents is solid. If you hold here, you're okay. Now all you do, you break that. You know, we were talking about Hex. It's like you got to break 17.3 cents. But I think breaking 15 cents takes you probably the supply line around 20 cents. So there's like, 25% upside on Hex minimum from here. Still in this downtrend, right? Lower highs, slightly lower lows, but on the lower low was just trash. It was about the same low. And market participants confirmed that you're okay. You're bottoming out. So I think you could be going higher next. Okay, you say above 10.9 cents, you're solid. You're in good shape. 11 cents, you're good. Okay, you're holding support. Confirming it, all right? Hex is fine. Above those levels. Below them, be careful. Be very careful. That's the way it is, man. That's how charts are. You've got to be careful below certain levels, but if you're above them, you're safe. You are literally safe. Bitcoin above 40, 42K is safe. Below it, all bets are off, man, right? Everything, all the arguments we've been talking about will be off the table when we fall below 40K again on Bitcoin. You understand that, right? That's how it works. New data presents itself. We must augment what we think's happening if we fall below critical areas, right? Inflection points are important because of that. And if you don't have an edge, all you can talk about are the inflection points. But if you're above certain inflection points and you're showing an edge, you could be in really good shape for upside. Yep. Okay, anyway. Yeah, dude, like Pundicoin. Duh, of course, man. Double Down says 42K is danger zone. It's safe zone. I mean, like, you fall below 40,665. Danger zone, yep. Yep. For real. Okay. Hex, and then that was it. That was the last request. Get wrecked, everybody. At least Bitcoin's 44,648 and climbing, kind of ish. Meh. Super meh. Kind of like pathetic, methodical. I need the impulse. I want the impulse. I want the 10K candle day. I don't want this trash. Oh my God, we're going to go up 5 days in a row and just test a resistance and do nothing. Like, no one cares, really. It's like such a joke, dude. I mean, I think you breaking this level, you go to 53K, and it's like, yeah, that's not weird. Not weird, dude. Oh my God, music ended? Kidding me? Bro, I'm like drunk, man. I don't have to drink much alcohol. I just get like plastered, man. Whew. Look, dude, here's your Bitcoin. Here's your 4 hour. This is really the master chart. Okay. I don't know. I guess the daily. Oh, wait, we got to look at the 5 day because the 5 day candle closed today, which I don't ever look at in my life. But certainly was amazing because the 5 day candle, bullish engulfing, massive breakout, highest 5 day candle close since December 20th. Dang, dude, Jesus chimes right now.
Look here. Look, listen.
Highest 5 day candle close of the year 2022. And a massive engulfing candle to boot. Positive momentum just still building. So much upside. Neutral RSI at 50. Wow, dude. Beautiful 5 day close. I can't even believe it, man. Wow, unreal, dude. Unreal. BK, it's got to be just you, right? Can anyone else only watch me on 144p? God. That'd be bad news, dude. It's just him. Just him. ONT pumping. Dude, it was pumping already. Are you trying to tell me it's pumping more? I mean, like, oh, imagine being surprised about ONT pumping, dude. Oh, when the order book's so effing thin. It's just like, really? I can't believe this news. I mean, we just looked at it a minute ago. ONT at 4.4. Yeah, who cares, man? Who cares about ONT that was presenting an edge at a critical area? And I think it's going much higher. I think minimum target 70 cents from here, another 9 cents, and then $1 after that, for real. So, you know. Yeah, rip Taylor Hawkins from Foo Fighters, man. That sucks, dude. Yep. A lot of good memories with the Foo Fighters back in the day. Yep. But yeah, this is ONT, and you shouldn't be surprised. This is certainly locally like Bitcoin. Like, Bitcoin's right at its same critical levels, right, from the year. Yep. But again, like 0x was also like the same trade setup territory. It's up 6.4% right now. And Vechain was at those same like levels of action. And it's just like broken the resistance, the major ones. You know, you're going to test the local high around 6.8 cents. What you have, and if you break that, my God, man, there's nothing stopping you from 9.5 cents. Can't say the variables weren't all there, man. The TA was there. Well, the top 10 cryptos mentioned on Twitter March, Bitcoin, Ethereum, cake. Sounds like a marketing scam, you know. Oh, the cake marketing team's like, dude, we gotta mention Twitter more than anyone, dude. You just don't get it. Then XRP, Tezos, Doge, Shiba, same scam stuff. Baby Doge, same scam. Cardano and Mana, yeah. Dude, yeah, you got a few in there that are like, oh, that's all we're paying attention. Our marketing team's so smart, dude. Yeah, it is. As long as we get a mention most, we're gonna win. Okay. I'm a bit happier. No, dude, I'm normal. I'm just normal, dude. That's what I am. I'm just normal, dude. It's Saturday. It's well, it's a very social environment just to provide market updates, man.
MACD.
Oh yeah. Sure. 2 week that I never look at. Wow, what a massive candle. Wow, 23 hours until the 2 week closes. Inverted hammer connect. Wow. RSI on the 2 weeks showing the same hidden bullish divergence that the weekly is. Same with the, I guess the MACD is gonna beginning to show hidden bullish divergence.
My voice is sexy. Sexier than the hosts. My voice is sexy. Sexy, sexy. Happy Sunday, bud.
Bruh, AJ Productions, it's Saturday still for me. Like we're deep into Saturday, man. It's Saturday evening, 7:44 my time, PM. Which is around the time when, like, on average, people are happiest. Between like 7:45 and 8:45 PM on Saturdays for some reason. Look it up. Thank you, dude, for the 1669 and the very nice voice. You know, nice voice, dude. Very nice voice. Crypto Hoarder is asking, who is this Double Down guy? Double Down guy, you got any words to say to the Crypto Hoarder? He's asking about you, man. In 23 hours, Bitcoin will have its highest 2 week candle close since December 20th. So it'll be the highest 2 week candle close of the year. I think that's the case with the weekly, right? Weekly is the exact same story. It'll be the highest weekly candle close since December 27th. Wow, you got some serious developments going on weekly 2 week, man. You hear me? Dang. Dang, man. Look at Double Down. Says, you're not the only one that can throw fireballs. He says, love you, man. I love that, though, right? It's not, it's like, it's happy competition. It's not mean, weird. You remember Montana, you know, dude? It was like mean competition where it wasn't fun. It was like, he was like challenging Bet Moon Boy, like in negative ways. At least it's fun. Yeah, I love the vibe and the atmosphere with Double Down. For sure. Make some bacon, eggs, and coffee. 6, man, that sounds wonderful. I mean, literally nothing better than that in ways sometimes. Sometimes there's nothing better than bacon, eggs, and coffee. No way. Staple of the West. Daily, super blah, super like meh. You know, and it's funny. It really is funny that, see, you know, you're pathetic because you didn't even close above February 15th high on the daily. What a joke, man. No, really, what a joke. Wow, Bitcoin 44.7. You know, again, I'm Ron Burgundy right now. I don't believe you. I don't believe you, Bitcoin, on a weekend. I don't believe you. Imagine believing Bitcoin right now. Because 99% of the time on the weekend, it's always a scam. It's like what you think is not. Now, sometimes, though, I remember back in the bullish cycles, it'd be like the price action would all happen during the week, and then the setups would mature in their development on the weekends. Does anyone remember, if you were a patron or you remember this community, thinking about like July and August of 2020, all the active trade setups played out, and then they dumped to make a higher low, and then October rolls around, and then we moon again, right? So there were times. Bitcoin's not going to show you anything. You're never going to hear the hype song again. Bitcoin crossed me. Okay, Heisenberg's not going to let you see the hype song again. You just have to understand. You imagine thinking you're going to 45.5 tonight. Ha! Biggest joke ever, dude. Like I said, if you know, I'm out to dinner tonight, right, or something, and we see 45.5, I must abruptly end my dinner and come back to stream for at least 30 minutes. That was the rule. If we saw the top of the rectangle again, for real, without a doubt, I'd have to go live again for 30 minutes. No, we'll not chug 2 beers. That sounds crazy. I'm already like drunk, dude, so... Reverse psychology didn't work, dude. We're at 44.7, which is a joke, dude. Wow, 44.7, biggest joke of my entire life. Yep. Okay. Well, three rising methods. How? On that chart, maybe not on the real chart, not on the Coinbase chart. Nothing even close, dude. Dude, there's like, you can't be excited right now, man. It's like effery. Oh, dude, you got 39 bucks to spend, and it's your first day in crypto. Oh man, load up. Time to load up. You got life-changing gains to make. That $39 is going to turn into 50 bucks soon. I'm not on the 5-day. You're just delayed, dude. When can we be excited? Never. But when you break 45.5 resoundingly, that is a good time to be excited, because I think we will go to $52,000 very fast. Faster than you can say, yo, MTV Raps or whatever. I don't even know the saying. I can't remember. It was on Waiting, the movie. So... yeah, dude, time to buy ApeCoin, man. Literally said no one ever. $44.4. It is, but at the same time, you can see where the assets upthrusted through 44.4, which we're above, but have failed miserably 3 different times in history. So, yes. You have broken the 44,444 repeating, of course. That's great. But how long you been doing that? All weekend. You've been breaking 44,444 literally the entire day of Saturday, whole day, and some of Friday. But what have you done? You only fell back below it like a joke. So to me, it's just like, and being conservative, I would think the top of the range actually is 45.5. And it's been here. These two lines have been here undeniably. You can't ignore them. They're there. So you're just in the zone. You're in the inflection zone. Yeah, just worried about fake outs, certainly, because fake outs only ever happen here, right? That, my God, history's told us this is exactly where massive reversals begin. But what we know about partial declines is this time it's different. It really is different this time. You see 45.5. I think we can confirm a partial decline is real. Like, I think seeing 45.5 being conservative, we have a 70% chance of a breakout if we see 45.5 again. That's it, man. Like, we might very well have already a confirmed partial decline, right? We could. Meaning there might already be a 70% chance of a bullish breakout right now. Based on the fact that 44.4 is really the area because it started in January 12th, right? But if we're conservative, we say 45.5. There's nothing wrong with that. It's just, I think we see that, though. 100% chance of a 7% chance of a breakout, right? It's like Sex Panther on Anchorman. 70% of the time it works 100% of the time, right? That's 45.5, all right? No, we're not expecting a fake out. We don't expect anything, dude. Expecting things and they go the other way, that triggers emotional responses that affects our trades, our next trades. No expectations. Get it out of your mind, dude. Stop expecting things. I'm tired of it. I don't care what some boomer says about $3,000 Bitcoin. I don't care. You think I care, dude? Imagine watching some boomer talking about 3K Bitcoin, dude. What are you doing, man? Go outside. Go do something, right? I mean, it's like, it doesn't matter. Yeah, dude. Tone Vase called 2K Bitcoin when we were calling a bottom on the bullish Gartley back in early 2019. Nah, Jack. See, the thing is, I get shots. I get laid, man. You need to stop projecting your own insecurities on me, the streamer. All right, life's good over here. Imagine asking me a question. I answered the question. It doesn't go the way you want. Then you start talking crap, talking about, you need to get laid, dude. It's like, what are you? Are you that guy? You must be that guy on an alt account or something, dude. Or a super fan. You must be a super fan trying to low-key promote his crap, dude. No one cares. Stop bringing up other streamers in my channel. Stupid, dude. So dumb. So, man, dude, we're strong, man. We're near the highs of the day. What a joke. Can't believe it. Oh, yeah, I guess so, right? No, a different person, right? I think, Brad. Or was it? No, it wasn't. It was, like, literally the same guy. Literally the same guy asking for advice on how to spend his $39. Then talks about some boomer talking about Bitcoin going to 3K. And then I tell him, why would you even care? Why would you listen to that crap? And then it's just like it must be that person or like one of his mods or something just trying to shill his channel. It's weird. Really weird. It's so funny. This is like, oh my God, I am promoting people. I don't promote people. I never go into anyone else's community and promote myself ever. Never. Okay? And then you get other people that do it, and it's just weird, dude. Shill's getting creative. Exactly. Yep. Oh, dude, they're like, they never stop, man. They never stop. They're always going to be another way, another weird thing they do. Yeah, we're just hanging out at 44.7. It's the weekend. I was really just trying to give Crypto Hoarder a chance before he got embarrassed by Double Down. But, you know, I guess Double Down literally wins today. AJ, that's not true. I mean, like, thank you for the kind words, but, dude, that's not even it. Like, I'd never claim to be an authority on technical analysis, ever. Never! I know, I'm a dude, Mitch is a guru. I'm not a guru. I'm not any of these kind, nice words. Okay? Just a guy who likes charts. And that's it, dude. That's literally it. Wow. Just in this channel out, as you can see, the 60-minute, pretty sexual chart right here, right? Pretty sexual channel. Short-term uptrend, you could say. It's a beautiful channel, right? I mean, it is. And a lot of upside. It takes you to 46K to the supply line, it seems, right? It's a little off. We'll see. Right there. There you go. Perfect. Heart line was held as support. Back tested. I like that. Yeah, really. It's like just watch for a month or two. Exactly. It's like don't even take my words for things. Just watch, and I think you will understand after a little while of watching. There's benefit here. Okay, well, I'm just saying, man, when an asset loses like 88%, 90+% of its value from 20K to 3150, it's a really stupid idea to be talking about Bitcoin collapsing to losing another like 80% of its value after it's already done that. That's stupid. That's not rational. That doesn't make sense. That's kind of just weird. And the hyperwave thing, I think Tone Vase got caught up in that hyperwave thing that doesn't make any sense. It was the wrongest thing that ever existed back then in those times where I presented a bullish Gartley. He presented $1,000 Bitcoin. Sell all your Bitcoin. Like that Leah Wald girl. They were at symposiums when Bitcoin was at $3,300, $3,150, saying, yeah, sell all your Bitcoin because it's going to 1,000. It made no sense. It capitulated. It already lost 55% of its value in 5 weeks from there. And that M shape developed. And it's like that divergence. It was crazy. It's like, what? You can say all you want about like whatever these words are, but like when it comes to value and stuff, it's there was limited downside at that point. You can't argue with that, man. Yeah, Matty D, it was ridiculous. It was.
I remember that bearish harmonic on McDonald's where the CEO quit and it happened to be exactly at
That was Nike, I
BTC.
think. That was Nike.
That blew my mind and fell in love with TA. Thank you.
Thank you, Smiley. That was Nike, though. That was Nike. Just short it, remember? Just short it. It was like the bearish harmonic, the bearish like butterfly crab at the 1618 with divergence. Looked like a Nike swoosh. That was the fun stuff. Brad, what happened to that guy? What happened to the guy named Anonymous? Oh, okay, his name, I guess, right? Pretty hot and tempting. Okay. Well, I gave Crypto Hoarder a chance to rebuttal. To refute the Session Top Jesus. So he had his time, but now it is time to maybe wrap it up a little bit. But we got a new 60-minute candle that just started. So there's a new sheriff in these offices, and his name's Double Down. Yep. And if we see 45.5 again, I'll go live for 30 minutes, no matter when it is. Because we know the partial decline is real. Yeah, double down. There you are. You did it, man. You friggin' did it. Are these considered podcast style streams? I don't think they're the same streams, man. I'm just like, so there are days like today, there's like more chat. If you notice, like chat is way more active. I'm able to continue streams when chat's more active. But when I'm like by myself and chat's effing dead, I can't continue the stream. I have to just end it. But like if there's constant like flows of chat coming in with comments that are higher quality, I'm able to continue the stream because I have stuff to bounce off of, right? But you can only do so much as a streamer of financial markets when most of the markets are closed, right? Yeah, but crypto is open. And we went through kind of like the notable gainers. I'm just saying like it's good. Like I'm able to keep the stream going when there's more hype in the chat. And that's why I always talk about hype in the chat, man. For real. It's like, it's more than just, oh, I need it just to spam. I need like things to bounce off of, right? So. Matthew D, I don't know, man. Sounds like I don't believe you. I don't believe you, man. Of course I hold, man. I hold so much you wouldn't even effing believe it, dude. Didn't used to be that way. But now it is that way. You know, but time is an interesting thing, right? Time in the market. Wow. Adam's fine, dude. Adam is fine. It's a joke, but it's fine. It's just a Rudy poo. Maybe close back above its levels. All good, man. Dude, actually on the 60 minutes, unbelievable. It's like, wow. I never look at Adam on the 60. I don't need to because I the daily. But like, Jesus, dude, the 60 minutes kind of unreal. How this is the level and it's resistance, right? It's now support. That's it. That's 60 minutes. Then you go to 4 hour. It gets, every time you go out, you scale out, it gets better and better. 4 hour, you can clearly tell the back test of the area that was once resistance. Resistance is support now. Dude, just hang tight on Adam, man. This is like the composite man effing with you. He wants you to sell to him so he can buy it at these levels before he marks the effing thing up to $43. You'll see. He wanted you to be like, oh my God, bearish engulfing candle. It's all over for Adam, dude. He wanted you to sell into that because he's going to scoop it up and push this thing to $32 and then $43. Okay. What, is the inverse head and shoulders all of a sudden dead? No, not even close, dude. So if you sold 2 days ago, you got played by the CO. He owns you, dude. And he also owns the coins you sold. So whatever. Get wrecked. Everyone who sold. But the time is nigh, is it not?
Can we take a look at XDC? We'll go blue. Let's go Dolphins.
XDC, isn't that copper? XDC is copper, right? No, that's XCU, my bad. Yeah, XDC is an actual S coin, sorry. Yep. Sorry, man. I have memory of this play. Dude, give me a break, man. I don't look at all. Look, 100% retrace. Spring back, test of spring. Where do you think it's going? It's going to 68 cents. There it is. You request. Here's your $20, Chris. Nothing changed. No analysis has changed. It was identified last time, and we're sitting here. What do you want? What do you want, dude? Anything else? Chris, are you satisfied? In 20 seconds? Premature technical analysis.
Oh, it feels so good.
There it is. Get out your cigarette, dude. Or your vape. I'm just saying, right? I mean, like, what else is there to look at? What am I supposed to do on XDC? Someone tell me. Well, you could do this. No, you can't do anything else. If you've already, I've already got applauded. There was already divergence. There was already, it held and held again. It's going to friggin' 68 cents, 79 cents. That's it. Nothing more to talk about. What's up, Joe?
Pump on the weekly, please, Kang. Is that a bullish bat in the RSI?
Oh, I don't know, but I don't do harmonics on oscillators, dude. but I'm sure it could be. Sure. Comp, though, was fine. Comp was like a falling wedge of some sort, right?
Happy Saturday. Peace and love. Ape, please.
Ape? Oh, my God. Oh, yeah, dude. Like, literally, Comp. What do you want? Comp's ready for insane upside. Okay, if you just own Comp now, you could be the Jesus. All right? Because look at the low from July of 2020. Yes. It was a level right there, man. You cannot deny it. You're above that level. Unbelievable things could be occurring. Triple MACD, triple RSI, bullish divergence. The upside potential is unbelievable here. All I can tell you is, yeah, moon soon on Comp if it stays above a 110. I'm talking like you could legit. Comp could be at 266 in time. If Bitcoin's really going to 50, 58K, then Comp goes to 266. And you can believe it. You can, because it's doing it unbelievably bullish things right now. That's it. If you ignore this, get wrecked, dude. You go to if we're at 266 and someone asks, should I buy now? You'll just get auto banned from this stream. We will ban you. Should I buy now? Banned. Never talks again. Ever again in this chat. Because you're being told about it right now. Wow. Imagine selling here. Dumbest, most literally stupidest area to ever sell. Dumbest area to sell. You might be stupid if you sell at these levels. Oh, dude, well, you know, it only lost all its value. 100% of its value from the all-time high. You know, I'm not going to sell at $900, but I'm going to sell at $122. You might be stupid. You maybe need to just stop whatever you're doing. And yeah, I don't know, dude. You need to figure it out. You got problems. You got lots of problems. You're selling at $122 when the thing was at $900 at its top. Yeah, that's stupid. Okay, Comp. Lowest risk area of your entire effing life. Get wrecked in a positive way if you own this asset, most likely, in time. That's it. Comply. He said comp on the weekly. I said comply. Here's your weekly. Oh, it's unbelievable. Okay, cue the Michael Scott gif. Thank you for the... Oh my God, it's happening. You're showing positive momentum on the weekly for the first time since August. But let's be real. First time since May of 2021. Yeah, dude. Probably going to turn into ungodly upside. Yep. Comp on the weekly is just kind of like...
Look here. Look, listen.
Unreal, dude. Unreal. So stupid upside. Wow. It's not even nice. It's beyond nice, dude. Don't trivialize Comp on the weekly. Bullish engulfing candle last week. And above support now, showing positive momentum. Dude, just don't even get me started with saying nice. That's nice, honey. Or cool story, bro. That's like that's the greatest generation, you know, their version. When an old person's like, that's nice, honey. That's them saying cool story, bro. That's not going on at all here. There's no cool story, bro, and there's no that's nice, honey going on. This is unbelievable upside opportunity. Unbelievable. Okay. I'm just kidding. I mean, I'm not kidding about that. I'm kidding about someone saying nice, all right? I'm not really scolding you. I'm just trying to, you know, articulate my point somewhat, okay? Don't be offended. Anyone getting personally offended in this chat from me, you got problems, dude. You got to figure it out. No, I'm never trying to, like, unless you're, like, actually being hateful to me personally, it will be personal. But if you're not... And nothing about the asset you requested. It's about being personal. Okay. So anyway, ApeCoin. Gosh, dang it, dude. Thought we were almost in good shape. Here's your ApeCoin, dude. ApeCoin. Not enough data to really care. Not enough data to really present an argument, dude, of any sort. Okay, you got lows and highs now. I think you could make it to 1541 maybe, but again, no data. So what do you want from me? TA stream, not a Rudy Poo. I can't believe. Oh my God, what's going on? No one knows, and I don't care. I don't care where Ape goes. If you care about Ape, you might not care about TA. That's real. That's really, really real. If you care about Ape over any other asset presenting a bullish edge, you might have no idea what's going on. But Mama said, ApeCoin, Mama said. There's nothing to do here. So that was the last request anyway. So I guess I'm gonna get out of here. You know, look again. I gave Crypto Hoarder his chance.
/BTC huge falling wedge on daily and it's sitting on its lowest level since April 2020. Looks tasty.
Who cares, dude? Band of US dollars, all you need to know. Do you really care about band of BTC? I mean, it's great to reinforce your argument on the US dollar, but again, I can't care. I cannot care because I'm so bullish on band of the US dollar that nothing matters, dude, okay? That's it, right? I mean, it's like, that's literally it, man. But we'll look at it, okay? Yes, falling wedge for 10 years now. I can't even believe I have data on this. I actually have done work on this. Like, oh yeah, there it is. There it is, falling wedge, by the way. This is the daily. Still just sitting there, sitting at a point from March 2020. And actually a high from September 2019. It's there, man. Divergence, right? Yes, moon, then that makes sense, right? Because if you look at this, you'd be like looking at the US dollar pair. And you're like, it's actionable for a long right now. 70 to 100% upside right now. Right now. So why would I pair band to Bitcoin, hard money, band to the US dollar? US dollar's trash. Trash money. Toilet paper. I'd rather pair band to soft trash money than I would rather pair it to hard money, which is Bitcoin's hard, strong money. I'm not doing that. But I love looking at this and being like, yes, this reinforces my argument for band to the US dollar being hyper bullish right now. Yes. So I wouldn't long band to BTC because of what I just talked about. I'd be long in band to US dollar. And we know band to US dollar certainly strong A argument for upside. Yep. Okay. XPR, by the way. Oh my god, dude. You remember that time XPR was posted as a trade setup this morning? It's up 10% today. Give me an effing break, man! Forget about it! Okay, Isaac. Here you go, Isaac. Just for you. I'm sure you're a patron. If you're screaming XPR, you're a patron. Because no one looks at XPR. Okay, no one's like, oh, I got XPR on my watch list, but I can't. Dude, it did everything you could dream of. I called it. I posted the trade setup this morning. I said, XPR is the poor man's XRP, but awesome development on the chart. And XPR was an old trade setup that we had identified before it mooned. Well, there you go, Isaac, man. Anything else to talk about? Satisfied? Get your cigarette out or whatever. Imagine thinking Bitcoin's going to 45.5 tonight. You know what that means, right? If Bitcoin goes to 45.5 tonight, I go live again tonight, drunk probably. Which I don't feel it. I have a feeling that it won't happen. But again, feelings mean literally nothing on charts. So you get it. All right. It's dinner time though. So I'm going to leave y'all to it. Congratulations if you took the XPR trade setup today, because you're literally up over 13% on your trade position already in seconds or in hours. But I think this is going to 2.68 cents eventually again. So whatever. Okay, congratulations Bitcoin on farting. No one cares. No one gives a crap about you, Bitcoin, until you break 45.5. I'm sorry. I just can't give two effing craps about Bitcoin till it breaks 45.5. That's it, dude. Can't care. Won't care. You misspelled your, Jeff. Come on, dude. For real, dude. You got to spell your right. Can't misspell it. Figure those out, all right? Make it second nature to where you know how to spell your. That's like a prerequisite to learning charts. Learning what your and their, the theirs, the three theirs. You got to make sure you know those before you learn charts, okay? Just saying. Anyway, thank you. So greatly, appreciate everyone coming out today. I know Bitcoin's trying to pump on the new day, kinda. What a joke! It's up 0.4%. Everyone go crazy. No one cares about cotton futures, multi or highs. By the way, going parabolic. But we care about a $200 pump on Bitcoin. All right. Thanks for likes, love, support, contributions, everything in between. Thank you, Double Down for the $565.99. I'll be back. Until next time. Respect the TA.